Hello, Pisces. Welcome to your reading. So, this is for July the 8th to July 10th reading. So, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, nagla-live din po tayo doon. If you also want to join the live session, you're very much welcome. So, Pisces, gusto ko lang malaman nyo that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So, take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. So, Pisces, parang nakakakita ko dito na it, I think that this connection is evolving. There may be some ups and downs, no? Dito sa relationship. It felt like si person is parang unpredictable, no? Sometimes masyado siyang um, generous. Sometimes, ang damot-damot niya sa kanyang time. Ano? So, parang ikaw, hindi mo mawari, saan ba, saan ba ako lulugar, no? Um, hindi ko tuloy siya mabasa, no? For a few numbers of you, this might be, tinatawag nating situationship. So, walang label, no? Yung iba naman, baka nasa crushes pa lang, no? Kumbaga, both of you are parang trying to just introduce themselves bago pa lang yung feeling, or sometimes hindi pa rin sure kung ano yung feeling, so sometimes nga kaya ganun din, no? Minsan nagtatago si person, minsan hindi makita, syempre nami-miss natin, minsan all out naman, no? So parang hindi natin alam, baka minsan siguro iniisip natin, may topak to, no? Pero tinatanong mo, ano ba talaga tayo, no? Ano bang meron sa atin? Na ngayon doon naman sa mga magkarelasyon, no? Parang sinasabi niya siguro is, sure ka ba na gusto mo tong relationship na to? Kasi bakit parang ni ayaw mo kong i-post, no? Ni ayaw mo kong i-my day, ayan. Bakit nakikita ko single pa din ang iyong status, no? Sasasabihin niya, kasi hindi ko naman talaga siya pinapalitan, matagal na yan, ganyan-ganyan, blah, blah, yada, yada, no? It kind of makes me feel na ang gusto dito ni Pisces parang is to announce, no? Kung gusto mo, parang kung gusto mo talaga ako, no? Make an effort naman na at least ipakilala mo ko sa siguro family members, no? Sa mga friends mo, baka kasi hindi mo ko, baka hindi ako kilala, no? Syempre, gusto ko ding makilala yung mga friends ng aking mahal, 'di ba? Para if in case, gusto ko din naman silang makasama, gusto ko rin silang makasalamuha. With the disputes in here, kasi parang sinasabi mo dito na meron kang kailangan gawin. Parang hindi ako naniniwalang mahal mo ako. Oh, wow. So let's see. Kasi dito parang you wanted to say na i-declare mo. No, let's make it official. Bakit? Parang napapansin ko tinatago mo ako. The Three of Swords in reverse and the Ace of Swords also in reverse. Well, I can call it reverse somehow, pero hindi eh. Medyo pa ganon. But let's consider it reverse. Hindi mo alam kung nasasanay ka ng ganito ang situation. or nasanay ka before, no? Kaya siguro sabi mo, hindi na lang, no? Kung parang nakita ko na to, I've been here before. So parang sa akin medyo sneaky, no? I think that you said something with the judgment in here. Parang sabi mo, ay, kailangan you have to make a move. No, kailangan palitan mo yan. Kasi parang feeling ko hindi tayo umuusad. No? Parang feeling ko nandito ka lang for the sake of just to have a relationship. No, para pag tinanong, may jowa ka, meron. Pero yung gawa, nasaan, di ba? Panindigan mo with the Three of Vessels and the Lovers. And that is an upright. So, I think that whatever it is that you're asking, kung status man yan, I think that they're gonna change that. Kung gusto mong makita yung parents nila, I think that they're gonna set up, no? These are few requests na pwedeng hinihingi ni Pisces para at least maramdaman naman niya na mahal siya. And I think, siguro itong si person matagal-tagal na rin sabihin nating ganito ang ginagawa niya sa relationship, not just to you, but I feel like there are some changes in here na, sige, parang you become parang an exemption to the rule, no? Sabi niya, why not? Kasi nakikita ko naman na maayos naman yung nararamdaman ko kay Pisces. Si Pisces, seryoso din naman niya sa akin. I think with this request, Pisces, things will open up. Parang magbabago ang course, no, nitong relationship ninyo. Kasi parang magiging open to the public na, no? Celebrity yan. Mga artista pala ito, no? So parang dati kung private lang, no? Ngayon, let's make an announcement. Let's make it official, no? Parang guys, kami talaga, no? Baka kasi meron din ditong mga iniingatang mga positions, no? Or iniingatang reputations, no? O, di ba? Kung hindi celebrity, politiko. O, ayan. No, napaka-controversial. Oo nga naman. At one point, masakit kasi bakit at least sana alam no nung mga tao kung sino yung karelasyon mo. Hindi natin kailangan magpa-press conference, no? Hindi natin kailangan yung garbo. At least yung mga close sa atin, alam natin or alam nila, no? I think with the ephemeral in here, parang kakalat na itong balitang ito na pa-VIP, no? Kakalat itong balitang ito. Uy, alam ba, umamin na sila. Walang masama, no? Wala akong nakikitang parang major so far na challenges mo with your person apart from exposing what's really happening between you and kay person. And I feel like mas lalong titibay itong relationship dahil may mga taong sabihin natin inaabangan din. Kaabang-abang ba talaga? So I think, madaming kikiligin din. Probably family members, no? Parang sabi ko na eh. And I think may magyayaya dito to at least have a party, no? I-celebrate natin yan. Slight, kinikinig ako, Pisces, no? So I think as a Pisces then, no, that's my sun sign. Wala pa ako dito sa situation na to. Yung iba lang, no? Pero sana all, 'di ba? Parating na rin tayo dyan. Dun sa mga hindi pa nakaka-experience, pero kung sino ka man, ganda, no? Ganda, Pisces. So this is your reading. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live din po tayo doon, no? You're very much welcome to join the live sessions. Kung hindi naman po nyo maabutan yung live, you can ask a question dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no, merong link. It's either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, no, ng how much per questions, modes of payment, QR codes, no. And I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. And also, kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun po yan sa description box, nasa link, ano. So, love and light to you, namaste, and see you on the next reading. Goodbye!
You want the best of my heart, you just